Hey, what's up, guys? You know what it is, and you know where we at, what we came for. Let's go.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
All right, so back at the not at the label that pays me, but one of my favorite stores next to the one that pays me. Cause I buy more car parts than I do buy tools. So I just be buying shit. Got the pistol tire inflator with the gauge for quick and easy tire installation. I think that'll be a nice addition. Plug and play, and it locks on. So you got the little clip that'll lock on to the little joint, and it's the last one, so we'll take that. And that's how you try to see it. Try to see where did it go? Oh yeah. So the low lift transmission jack, which is regularly $179. See, I need one, but I don't need one. That nigga look like they have one, so I'll wait on it. 12-ton shop press. Remove and install bearings, gears, U-joints, bushings, ball joints, pulleys, etc. This could come in handy. I got the 1-ton and the 20-ton. So there's something else that we might want to add to the repertoire eventually, not today. And we got engine stands and all of that. Pistol gun. I know it's been a while since we've been in Harbor Freight, but we was trying to get all the cars running. But now that we got all the cars running, I think we good. This one is $289. 16-speed forward drill press. So that's not the one we want. Not that one or that one. 13-inch. It might be a fucking desktop, but this bitch is huge. Alrighty then. Yeah, so 10-inch bench drill press. This was the 8-inch. So yeah, that's what we want. 10-inch 10-inch 12-speed bench drill press. Now we was looking at it for a minute. I we put said piece, whatever need the hole, whatever need a hole drilled through it, and then we put it here, secure it. However we're gonna secure it, and spin that bitch. So nice addition to the family. Let's go get a basket so we can get that on in now. Yeah, because there's only 2 left, so let's go make that happen real quick. This probably would have came in handy when we was drilling through that flywheel. But better late than never, right? And not telling what else we can put it to use with, so. 10-inch bench drill press. I got it. You don't want me to hurt myself. Y'all see how little that dude is? It is good. Here got the one with the light on it. I mean, that might have been able to get the job done, but there's a significant size difference. Is there a special like set of drill bits you're supposed to use with the presses?
What, drill bits?
Yeah.
I mean, I assume you can use most drill bits. And I'd use stronger ones, like pressing down or whatever. So I would go with something like titanium or carbide.
Okay.
Because you know those won't break like that. You know, you have to really like be on it. Honestly, yeah. So titanium or carbide, I'd stay away from like steel, brass, and things like that because those do have to very good heat up. You know what I'm saying? Heat up and snap.
Okay. Thank you, man.
And the black carbide,
Black carbide?
it's a little pricey, but worth it.
They worth it? Okay. All right, thanks, man. All right, so we're going to get, he said, some carbide bits. He said, stay away from the brass. Lean towards the titanium or the carbide. Let's see what we got there. Titanium, high-speed steel drill bits, and a bitch is $64. And a coupon for these bitches? Nah, fuck that, bro. I go with the titanium. I could buy 2 sets of titaniums and still not be at the price of the cobalts. Shit. He must not know he was talking to El Cheapo. See the black ox. not bad. Yeah, so you got your black oxide. Well, no, he did say something about black oxide. And those are like 15 bucks. But see, those is cheaper than the fucking titanium stuff. This one said high speed M2 still, and then this one said high speed turbine. So these are a little bit more expensive than those. So is titanium better than black oxide? Let me do some research and come back. So from what I read, the black oxide is supposed to be better. I want to say I got a set of probably the titanium joints at home. I know I got a set of these at home here, and I'm gonna run with this one. I'm gonna get this one as well. Black oxide as well. Metal, wood, plastic, 2 times longer life, and go from there. So, but I'm also gonna get this set here of black oxides for like, I think it's like $15, $15.99. So we'll get black oxide. Like I said, I'd rather run through. I kind of rather not come back out here. So for $15.99 plus another $10, $5.99 each on them, then I spend $25, which is still cheaper than the price of some fucking cobalt bits. I mean, cobalt might be that shit. If y'all know, then just let me know in the comments, and I probably won't buy them. So, but if you do know that they are a better bit, let me know, and everybody learns something. So, yeah. Look around, get a couple more things. Then I get some eye protection. Protect your neck. Protect your pupils. Okay, they got the little router bits. Router template guide. Okay. Roundovers. Roman degrees. I got the 12-piece set. Lifetime carbide. Yeah, I don't think we're there yet. This don't look like a bad set right here though. Let's see. You know, they got like a little trim router, a little fixed base router. I don't necessarily think I need another one. I was just looking. Let's see. I was curious on the price of that bandsaw. She can get really real with that. Really, really real. Nah, we good. We good. Alright, well, shit, let me get my coupons together and get the hell up out of here. I'll cut y'all back on when we in the truck. Hey, y'all, so, like I said, we just left from the Harbor Freight, man. Got drill bits, etc., etc. Just some added tools for the workshop. I'm gonna be, like I said, straighten it up, making some room for this extra stuff. You can never have too many tools. Ask Cat Logo. So, as we go forward, woodworking and etc., etc., it just might come in handy. Also, it may come in handy if I need to drill a hole through a piece of metal to mount on radiator fans, or you never know. So, I just know that I won't have to drill without it. You know what I'm saying? If I need to drill a hole through something and it is if I need the hole to be 100% completely straight and without a shadow of a doubt, then now I can do that with the drill press. I don't know what would be the next big tool upgrade grabbing thingamajigger bobber. But yeah, it's definitely helpful when you can put a hole in some shit. That I would that I will tell you for sure. If you can put a hole in some shit, you can make some shit happen. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Thank you for everybody to subscribing to the channel, man, watching the videos. Hope you enjoying something, learning something for it. Still, regardless of the situation, know that, you know, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. 10K or not, you know, I know we'll eventually get there. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's quantity under quality. You know what I'm saying? AKA quality over quantity. See what I did there? I flipped it. Boom. Boom. Quantity on the bottom, quality on top. But you say is quantity under quality, which is the same thing as quality over quantity. I know. So, as always, man, identify your weakness, make it stream. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity or procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.